Hello students, today we will see what is meant by AC and DC quantities. Electricity flows in two ways, either in an alternating current form or in a direct current form. So first we will see the definition of alternating current. The current which changes its direction periodically, such type of current is called as alternating current. If we see this diagram, if we see this waveform, the alternating current will flow in both direction, in positive as well as in negative. That's why it says that the current which changes its direction periodically, such type of current is called as an alternating current. Their magnitude and polarity also changes along with the time. In such type of current, the free electrons, that is electric charge, move in forward as well as in backward direction. That means they flow in both direction. This diagram indicates the free electrons will move in both direction. If you see this diagram carefully, you can observe the direction of current in both direction. The frequency, that is number of cycles completed in 1 second of the alternating current, is 50 to 60 Hz, which depends on the country. The alternating current is easily converted from the high value to low value and vice versa with the help of transformer. Thus it is mainly used for transmission and distribution. आपल्या सर्किटच्या रिक्वायरमेंट नुसार आपण अल्टरनेटिंग करंट आपल्या कमी करू शकतो किंवा वाढवू शकतो with the help of transformer. If we see this diagram again, the waveform indicates the current flow in both direction. Now we'll see definition of direct current. When the electric charge inside the conductor flows in one direction, then such type of current is called as direct current. What this definition says that the electric charge will always flow in only one direction. If we see this diagram here, the charge will flow from negative to positive only in single direction. In another way, we can also define direct current is it is a signal which changes its magnitude but does not changes its direction. If we see this diagram carefully, the current will changes its magnitude but does not change its direction because it flows always in one direction. The magnitude of the direct current always remains constant and the frequency of the current is zero. It is used in cell phones, electric vehicles, welding, electronic equipment, etc. If we see this diagram, the graphical representation of direct current is always a straight line. And if we see this diagram, in this diagram, one battery is connected to the lamp and the direction of current or the direction of electric charge is always flow in only one direction. The frequency of the direct current always remains zero for DC. The direct current is mainly used in widely applications such as electronic equipment, flash lighting, hybrid vehicles, electroplating, electrolysis for the field winding of the rotor, etc. This combined diagram indicates the main difference between AC quantity as well as DC quantity. If we see this diagram carefully, you can observe that the direction of the direct current is always in single direction, in same direction. But if we go for the diagram for alternating current, you can observe that the electric charge flow in both directions. Now we'll see the comparison between AC and DC quantities. First column is for alternating current, second is for direct current. The definition of alternating current is it is a signal which changes its magnitude and direction. The definition of direct current is it is a signal which changes its magnitude but does not changes its direction. See, this one is very important difference between AC and DC quantity. Cause of flow of electrons. In alternating current, rotating a coil in a uniform magnetic field or rotating a uniform magnetic field within a stationary coil, this is a cause of alternating current. In direct current, constant magnetic field across the wire. What is the cause of direct current? Constant magnetic field across the wire. The frequency range for alternating current is 50 to 60 Hz, depends on the country, and the frequency for direct current is 0. The direction of flow of electrons. As we have seen, the electric charge flows in both direction in AC quantity. So the direction of flow of electron is bidirectional. That means in both direction the current will flow. The direction of flow of electrons for direct current is unidirectional. Unidirectional means the electric charge always flow in same direction, single direction. Polarity for alternating current, it has polarity positive as well as negative because the charge will move in both direction. The polarity for direct current do not have polarity because it's move or it flows in single direction. How the alternating current will obtain? The alternating current will obtain with the help of alternators. Direct current will obtain with the help of generators, battery, solar cell, etc. Type of load for alternating current. Their load is resistive, inductive or capacitive type of load. For direct current, type of load is usually resistive in nature. Graphical representation. It is represented by irregular waves like triangular wave, square wave, sawtooth wave, sine wave, etc. You can see that as we have already seen the waveform. So the irregular shape, that means the electric charge flow in both direction. These waveforms are nothing but for alternating quantities. For direct current, the graphical representation is always by a single straight line. Transmission of alternating current. It can be transmitted over long distance with some losses. Transmission for direct current, it can be transmitted over very long distance with negligible losses. Convertible. Alternating current easily convert into direct current. We can easily convert AC current into DC current by using rectifier circuit. Direct current easily convert into alternating current. Substation for AC quantity. Few substation is required for generation and transmission. For DC quantity, more substations are required for generation and transmission. The power factor for alternating quantities lies between 0 and 1. The power factor for direct current is always 1. Alternating quantity hazardous is dangerous, and for direct current it is very dangerous. The generation of alternating current is very easy and the generation of direct current is difficult as compared to AC quantity. Use of transformer is possible in alternating quantity to increase or decrease the parameter as per circuit requirement, but use of transformer is not possible in direct quantity or direct current. Efficiency of alternating current is high. Efficiency of direct current is low. As we have seen, for alternating quantity, the waveforms having irregular shapes, so we can compare this parameter by considering graphical representation. So alternating quantity is we can represent by a sine wave, triangular wave or sawtooth wave, and direct current we can represent it by a straight line. Applications. AC motors, factories, industries. For the domestic purposes, alternating current is widely used. Direct current is used in DC motors, electroplating, electrolysis, electronic equipments, high voltage DC systems, etc. Now we'll see the advantages of alternating current over direct current. First advantage is it is possible to build high voltage, high speed AC generators with very large capacities. This is not possible in case of DC generator. The AC voltage can be raised or lowered very easily with the help of simple static device known as transformer. सर्किटच्या रिक्वायरमेंट नुसार आपण AC व्होल्टेज इन्क्रीज करू शकतो किंवा डिक्रीज करू शकतो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर हा डिव्हाइस वापरून. रायझिंग अँड लोअरिंग ऑफ DC व्होल्टेज इज नॉट सो इझी अँड इकॉनॉमिकल. आपल्याला जर DC व्होल्टेज इन्क्रीज किंवा डिक्रीज करायचं असेल तर ते खूप त्या सर्किट्स खूप कॉम्प्लिकेटेड आहेत आणि इकॉनॉमिकली पण ते परवडणारं नाहीये. AC motors are simple in construction, cheaper and more efficient than DC motors and require less maintenance. AC can be easily converted into DC whenever required for some specific applications. आपल्याला जर AC पॅरामीटर किंवा AC क्वांटिटी DC मध्ये आपल्याला जेव्हा गरज असेल तेव्हा जर कन्वर्ट करायचं असेल तर आपण इझिली AC ला DC मध्ये कन्वर्ट करू शकतो by using a single rectifier circuit. Due to adoption of high voltages, AC transmission is always efficient and economical. So these are some main points which indicates the advantages of alternating current over direct current. Thank you.